I'm going to go over the steps to install the Tosot Aovia portable air conditioner. This is their 10,000 BTU unit. The air conditioner can be installed in sash or sliding windows with a minimum opening of 9 inches and a maximum opening of 62 inches. You're going to cut the foam with the adhesive to size. You're going to put one piece in the window opening on the sill and another piece under the window. If you have a sliding window, you'll put one piece on the window and one on the side of the opening. The insect guard snaps onto the outside of the window panel. There's rain guards that can be snapped into the insect guard, and they can be mounted horizontally or vertically. If you have a small opening, you can cut down the window panel with a hacksaw. If you have a larger opening, you can add the adjustment panel and the extension panel. The clip slides into the center of the extension panel and it hooks onto the slot of the adjustment panel. And it comes with a threaded nut to hold it in place. If you need to cut down the length of the extension panel, mark it and then cut it with a hacksaw. Put your panel in the opening and then close the window on it. Use the foam without an adhesive to fill the space between the upper and lower window. It comes with a bracket that you can screw into the window frame to prevent the window from opening. Extend the exhaust hose so you can connect the joint and the rear clip. There are 2 power cord hooks that get screwed onto the back of the unit. The rear clip snaps onto the window panel. The joint on the exhaust hose fits into a slot on the back of the unit. There's a tab on the top of the joint. You just push it down into that slot. The unit comes with an LCDI power plug to help reduce the risk of a fire. When you plug this in, push in the reset button. There's an area marked push on the louvers to open the louvers up, and you can turn on the unit with your remote control or the power button on the unit. If you're manually draining the air conditioner on the back of the unit, the drain plug is on the bottom. For continuous drainage, you would remove the cap and the plug on the back of the unit towards the center and attach your drain hose. To clean the filter, you would remove the panel on the back of the unit and pull out the filter.